Our business is built on the satisfaction of others. So when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. We'd like the opportunity to make you happy too. And that's just one happy experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with everyone. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament of our commitment to satisfaction. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Contact us today at the number on your screen.